I'm Beth Wilson, and I'm joined by our video editor, Ryan Shank, today. Ryan had the brilliant idea of taking me into a Cessna and giving me flying instructions. Do you want to tell us a little bit about why this wonderful idea came about?
For the air traffic control show, we thought it'd be a great idea to start with Beth being in a plane talking to air traffic control. And we didn't get to put all of it into the show, so I thought we would get a chance to look at it now and get some of our reactions from while we were up there.
Yeah, okay, well, why don't you start it?
You ready?
Yep.
What I didn't realize, and I didn't realize until actually editing it, is you talk to 3 different people. There was ground control that you would talk to taxi out, then there was Manassas Tower, and then after you got in the air, you went to the regional Washington air traffic control. So I included all of this chatter in because this is actually what you were hearing while you're taking off. So not only do you have to worry about, taking off in a plane, there's all of this chatter in your ears that isn't even related to you.
Right, and I'll be honest, I was more concerned about taking the plane up than I was about the chatter. The chatter almost became background noise. Mm-hmm. And I know it's important. That's why I didn't say anything, because I know that Abby was listening to all of that, everything that was going on. The plane is so loud that we couldn't have had a conversation. That's why the mics are all up in our face, mm-hmm. and that's how we hear what's going on the ground and talking to each other.
Yeah.
Skyventures 120 Manassas Tower, hold short, runway 16 left, landing traffic.
So here's the first moment when I got a little concerned about what was going on. The tower said you have traffic landing, mm-hmm. and I'm like, where's the traffic landing? You couldn't see it. I'm like, if you can't see it, it's great that these guys know, but if I can't see it, how am I going to avoid it?
How much of this was you and how much of this was her sort of taking over at this point?
The takeoff, she did the majority of the work.
So how does that work? Is it like a driver's ed car?
Yeah, so to fly plane, you have 2 pedals on the ground, and then you have a wheel.
Yeah.
And the wheel changes the wings, and the pedals do the rudders. I had my hands on the wheel and on the pedals, so I could feel everything she was doing.
Oh, okay.
So it was a little nerve-wracking because although, I could feel the wheel
mm-hmm.
come back and I could feel what she was doing. So during takeoff and landing, I know that I was moving the wheel and the pedals somewhat, but I think a lot of it was mimicking her actions. So now I haven't seen the helicopter. I'm not looking at anything in front of me, but I'm looking at this horizon line, and you're relying on all of these other people. So in this, I'm doing a really light touch on that wheel, but I can feel those wings pulling.
Yeah.
You really could feel the pull from the wings.
Did you have like a death grip when you were...
I did, because I was terrified. I was frightened. It was scary.
And see, I was just having a great time at this point.
I learned a new term here.
Okay. And what is it?
Touch and go.
I also learned what a touch and go was.
I thought that we were going to land and stay down.
Yes, I did too.
We were not slowing down that much. There was not enough runway to make a complete stop, and then we just went right back up.
Yeah, and I was looking out the window because I wanted to get the shot of you landing out the window, and then we just kept on going, and I was like, oh, I guess we're not landing. The weird thing between whenever we took off or when we landed is something you don't really get as much in a commercial airline is you feel the pressure in your head when you're going, when you're descending like that.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize that much until we were descending, and I was like, oh, my head, I can just feel it changing. So I was glad to be back on the ground where I'm used to.
Yeah, the one thing that I really liked about this flight mm-hmm. was, you never get to sit in a cockpit to see how well marked all of the runways are, and to be able to see straight on how that the plane goes up and the whole horizon changes. You never get to see that in like a 747. You know, it's a 360 view, and usually when you're in an airplane, you've got a little window here. Are you going to take a lesson?
I'd like to. I think it'd be fun.
Yeah, okay. Good luck with it. Thank you, Ryan.
Well, thank you for watching, and please go check out the full show on STEM in 30's Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.